Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Once upon a time, in the sunny jungle, lived a big, strong lion named Leo. Leo had a golden mane and a loud roar that echoed through the jungle. Leo thought he was the king of the jungle, and he liked to show off his strengths. In the same jungle lived a clever little rabbit named Rena. Rena was small but very smart. She loved to hop around and explore. One day, Leo was feeling very hungry. He roared and roared, scaring all the animals in the jungle.
I am hungry. Who will be my lunch today?
Rena knew she had to do something to save herself and her friends. She thought, and then she had a clever idea.
Leo, Almighty King, there is another lion in the jungle who says he is stronger than you.
What? Another lion? Take me to him, and I will show him who is the real king.
Rena led Leo to a deep well. She pointed inside and said,
Look, Leo, the other lion is hiding in there.
Leo looked into the well and saw his own reflection. He thought it was the other lion.
I am the king.
Leo roared and roared, but the other lion roared back just as loud. Leo got scared and ran away, thinking the other lion was too strong. Thanks to Rena's clever plan, the jungle was safe again. All the animals cheered for Rena, the brave and smart rabbit.
Hooray! The jungle is safe.
Remember, little ones, being smart and brave can help you and your friends. See you next time for another adventure. The end.